walk like this, talk like this, look like this, you could never. Bad red bone from the south, riding around hitting licks with a yellow. Bitch so bad when I walk past, niggas sing my name a cappella.
Hey loves, so today is going to be another cooking video. You guys love when I do my cooking videos. So today is going to be something really easy. This is like a 20-minute meal, especially because it's the summertime, kids are out of school, and you want to cook dinner. You want to cook something that's quick and easy and something they can eat on pretty much all throughout the day. So I'm just holding the camera, so I want to show you guys what I'm cooking. So I'm using Jack Daniel's seasoned and cooked white meat pulled chicken. You can get this from Walmart. This is where I get it from. So this is what I do. I usually do baked potatoes with the chicken or the brisket or pulled pork or even the pulled beef. They have the pulled beef, but you guys know I don't eat beef, so we just do the pulled chicken when I'm eating it because I'm going to eat this today. So usually, you know, you go to like, what is it called? Different barbecue places and you get the baked potato with the meat on top, with the cheese, the chives, and the barbecue sauce. Well, today I do mine a little differently because you really don't get as many potatoes, or I'm not gonna say potatoes because it's a baked potato. You usually do not get as much of the potato. So you're kind of stuck with like meats and cheese. So what I like to do is make like scalloped potatoes. And then I put the meat on top, the cheese right here, the chives, and I add just a little barbecue sauce. Now usually I make my own barbecue sauce, but when you want to be, you know, really quick with the meal, just get you some Kraft sweet brown sugar. Now I put this in a pot and make my own little twist up with a little mustard, a little honey, a little brown sugar, a little garlic, a little Worcestershire. I twist my own barbecue sauce up, you know, to each his own. That's just how I do it, so they can add a little more into the pack of meat right here because they really don't give you enough barbecue sauce in here. And you just pop these in the microwave, you guys. This is why this meal is so easy. The only thing you're cooking is the potatoes. So I have these potatoes right here. They're about this size. I'm going to slice these up. You don't have to slice it up any particular way. You can slice them or you can make them like in circles, whatever you prefer. And then I'm going to use these ingredients. So all you need is garlic, steak Montreal seasoning, parsley, can you guys see that? Crushed red pepper flakes, garlic salt, olive oil, Worcestershire, barbecue sauce, green onions. You don't have to put green onions. Cheese, you don't have to use this type of cheese. Of course, you can twist the meal up any type of way you want. I'm just showing you guys what I use. And like I said, these are like, I think $5.98 at, they might be $6.98, between $5 to $7. This meal is definitely under $20 and it will feed your entire family. So if you're looking for like budget meals that's really good and has a lot of flavor, you definitely want to go with something like this. And like I said, you can eat on this all day long. So I'll show you guys exactly how I'm going to do this. Right now, I'm about to put in my olive oil in a skillet with 2 sliced onions and salt and pepper. And then I'm going to put a little garlic in it, but you guys will see. So I'm not going to put my camera on the tripod or anything like that. I'm literally just holding the camera because this meal is going to be really quick and really easy. So let's go. I just finished slicing and chopping up the potatoes. So now I'm cleaning them off. Make sure you clean your potatoes really good. And now I'm about to add them into the skillet. And you guys can see that is the olive oil, the chopped and sliced up onions, minced garlic, and a little Worcestershire sauce. I like my onions to get a little more brown before I add the potatoes on top. So once they get the way I want them to look, I'll go ahead and add my potatoes. Okay, this is how they look so far. And I also added salt and pepper in here as well.
Took off, love did me dirty, took off on me. Lil' Hilda just folded, got soft on me. I'm from the streets, you gotta pay with your life.
So now I've added the potatoes. So once you add your potatoes, you want to go ahead and add your seasonings. So I've already added the crushed red pepper flakes, the garlic salt, a spoonful of minced garlic on top, black pepper, sea salt, parsley, and the Montreal seasonings. And I usually let it just sit up for a while, maybe like 5 minutes, and then I'll go ahead and stir it up so everything can mix well. And then I'll add a little water at the bottom because I don't want the potatoes to be just like regular potatoes. I want them to have like a little bit of gravy on them, which will come from the seasonings at the bottom of the skillet with the onions and the garlic. So once you add a little bit of water in here and maybe 2 to 3, well no, just a little butter. I would just say that, just add a little butter in here. It will make its own little gravy, but you guys will see as I go along and cook this. So this is how it looks. How it should look so far. You guys can see all of those flavors down there. I added a little bit of water just to the bottom, as you guys can see, not that much. Okay, but this is how they should look so far. I'm going to cover it up and just let it cook. So that's how it should look so far, you guys. Just like that. Just enough at the bottom of the skillet. And then you can add a little more butter if you need to. This is how they should look. And you just want to make sure they're good and soft. I actually like mine a little soft than others. This is just the way we like it in my family. We don't like them hard, like real scalloped potatoes. We like ours a little soft. Kind of almost like mashed potatoes to be exact. So you don't have to let yours get as soft as we like ours. To each his own. I'm just showing you guys how I like to cook ours. Okay, you guys, so this is what I did for the barbecue sauce. I just poured it in the pot. I added in brown sugar, honey, mustard, a little ginger, a little Worcestershire sauce, salt, pepper, and red pepper flakes. I'm trying to remember everything. And that's pretty much it. I stirred it up a little bit. It's kind of almost like I would make my own barbecue sauce. But like I said, this is just a quick way. You guys want to make this meal in less than 20 minutes. So yeah, this is how it looks. And then I'm actually going to pour some of this barbecue sauce inside of the meat. And then I'm going to put it in a skillet. Or I might just put it in the pan. I'm not sure, but you guys will see. And then I actually leave a little barbecue sauce in the pot so that once I fix it up, they can drizzle a little barbecue sauce on top as well. So as you guys can see, I basically put the meat in the microwave first, and now I have it in a skillet. And so I just added a little barbecue sauce in already. I stirred it up. I added just a little more barbecue sauce. I'm gonna stir it up. And then back here, I have some bacon cooking because I'm gonna chop the bacon up on top of the potato. So that's what I have going on right now. Well, not the potato, you guys know what I mean, but I'm about to stir this stuff. So this is how everything came out, you guys. It is absolutely amazing. Everyone is eating. I'm about to smash as soon as I'm done filming this video. As you guys can see, I put the potatoes at the bottom, then I added cheese, then I added the meat, then I added more cheese, and then I added a little barbecue drizzle. Also, the chives, the bacon, and of course, I just did garlic bread on the side. So this is how it looks. Hope you guys can hear me. I have the vent on. You don't have to add the bacon on top. Of course, you guys know I don't eat pork. This is turkey bacon. All I did was fry the bacon in the skillet like you guys saw. But like I said, you don't have to do this if you don't want. Then I just did a little more drizzle of barbecue sauce on the top. But remember, you guys, I added more barbecue sauce into the meat put the meat in the microwave, and then I also took the meat out of the package, transferred it to a skillet. Then I added barbecue sauce to it. I let it cook really low for about 10 minutes so the barbecue sauce will get all through the meat, and this is how it looks. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want more cooking videos, give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so you can be notified every time I post a new video. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. Snapchat and Instagram get first dibs on everything. Snapchat saying it first. Shout out to my Snapchat fams. Hashtag Snapchat fam if you saw this first on my Snapchat. I love you guys so much. And until next time, you guys. Bye.
I had to hop off the porch and go get it. I went to pick up the torch and then lit it. They tried to tell me I can't, but I did it. When I pull up, bitches look like they shit it. I had to start from the motherfucking bottom.